As the world continues to shift around us, the need for remote access for your machines has never been more relevant. With Telit's connected machine solution, not only can you create applications within hours for remote access, but you can transform your machines into profit centers by eliminating travel time for your engineers and providing real-time data collection. With deviceWISE connected machine application, you can also create applications for OEE, preventative maintenance, quality control, and more. With our quick starter package, the solution is simple. We walk you through how to connect your gateway, how to configure it with deviceWISE, how to start visualizing with our drag and drop dashboard builder, and how to send data to your enterprise system. With the library of over 100 drivers to the most common manufacturing assets and built-in enterprise connectors to the most common databases and cloud systems, you can start defining your edge logic without writing a single line of code. Need cellular connectivity as well? No problem. We have cellular options available as well. Contact us now for your quick starter package, and let's start connecting your machines today.